It's a good old tractor. It's the first one I ever drove was one like this. When I was just, I don't know, 7 or 8 when I was a kid. And I just love the thing. It starts good, runs good. Put my suicide knob on so I can steer it easier. The guy I got it from was a tire salesman. He figures these have got to be 50-year-old luggers over the years, a couple of times.
So we got ourselves a 1948 Ferguson right here.
Fixed it. So, like, yeah.
Working on figuring out how to get this thing to start, or they have been, for
all day on it.
yeah. And we just had the lever over a wee little bit too far. Steering wheel looks like it's like the day it was made.
Oh yeah, so it's a paint job.
Oh yeah.
You know.